Hi everyone, in this video I'll be having my center console and radio bezel of my C5 Corvette painted. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below, and share with others on social media. So if you've been following the last few videos, I have done a lot of restoration work on my C5 Shale Interior. I have decided, due to the cost of all the materials needed and not sure how well an off-the-shelf can of paint will match my interior, that I would hire a professional to come out and finalize my center console. To start, I am putting together my armrest lid. There's plenty of screws and the latch I will need to reinstall. Then I'm taking apart and cleaning my center console since there was a lot of discoloration on it and it needs to be painted. As I was removing the key lock, I noticed that part of the console was cracked too, but you could only see the crack if there was a torquing done to the plastic. A good 2-inch crack. I wanted to see how the professional did it, so I just left it for him. Then I cleaned the radio bezel and scheduled the pro to come out. Once he got there, he started with prep work. A lot of sanding and micro areas. He fixed the crack using a plastic bonder, which works well for the unseeable cracks. And if there is material missing, he could add some material back in by using a powder with the plastic bonder. On my parking brake handle, I had a scuff that was missing material. He was able to fill that in. Then he tapes things off and cleans one last time. Then he takes his time getting the perfect paint match. He would make a formula, then spray it and wait until it dries, and then keep changing the formula over and over at least 6 or 7 times, all by eye, until he got the perfect match. I think this is a true art if you ask me. Once he was satisfied, he started spraying everything. So now that the console is all restored, I will wait until I have everything else I want to do inside the car finished, and then start putting it back together. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and have a great day.